Welcome back to episode 2 of the series, where I'll be looking through Premier League programmes from this season and each month using them as inspiration to help you guys build your skill set in InDesign. These tips will help you create your own artwork which you can then bring to life with print. In the last episode, I took a look at the Wolves programme and showed you how to set up an InDesign document. In this episode, I'll be going through the contents page of the Brighton's programme and showing you how to create a few features they have used. Here's a preview of what I'll be showing you how to create. As you can see, they have used a 3-column layout to help divide the information and imagery to help make the page more digestible. I really like the simplicity of this design, and I believe they have included just the right amount of info to grab your attention. They haven't overdone it and haven't left you not knowing what to expect. The use of images to highlight sections of the programme is also a great idea, and you see this throughout most content pages in football programmes. In this episode, I'll be showing you how to create highlighted text and an image grid like they have here. So here is a design I've made inspired by the Brighton programme. I'll be showing you how to create this image grid here with the highlighted text. I've made some space for myself to create the image grid, so let's begin by doing that. So head over to the toolbar and select the rectangle frame tool. Holding shift, drag a square like this to the edge of the column, but don't let go of click and shift yet. Use the arrow keys up to create 2 vertically, and then use the arrow keys right to create 2 horizontally, and it creates an even space between each image. You can use this tool here, the gap tool, to change the sizing of each one, and you can move it up and down holding Alt, and if you hold shift you can separate these two. If you hold control you can change the gap like that, and you can do this with any form of grid. But let's go back to the 2x2 which I had before. So, as you saw earlier, I only had one horizontal image at the top, and it's really easy to do. Just delete one of the boxes, and with the direct selection tool, drag this across to the edge. And there we have it, 3 frames which we can now put our images in. So now that we've made our image grid, let's go ahead and place our images, and it's really easy to do. Select one of the frames, go to File, go down to Place, and find the image you would like. As you can see, it hasn't scaled the image to proportional size, so all I need to do is click the circle in the middle here and you'll see a hand like this. Right click, select fitting, and then fit content proportionally. As you can see, it still hasn't fit correctly, but I can now see my image. So to scale your image, make sure you have a brown outline like this. This means I'll only be changing the image inside the frame and not the frame itself. So holding Alt and Shift, I'm just going to scale it up to fit in the frame. As you can see, nothing has gone outside the frame and it's all stayed within inside, similar to a clip mask. So now I can just repeat this step for the other frames. Finished adding all my images to the frames, and I've also added the copy which I'll be showing you how to highlight. So head over to Window, go down to Styles and select Character Styles, or you can use the shortcut Shift plus F11. And a tab like this will open. Character styles are really useful as they help you save time and ensure consistent formatting throughout your artwork. There is also a thing called paragraph styles which I'll show you how to do in later episodes, but for now I'm only going to go through character styles. Now that we've got this tab open, select the plus icon here and this will create a new character style named Character Style 1. With your text selected, double click the character style and a tab like this will open. Check the preview box in the bottom left corner so that you can see all the changes happen in time. So let's go down to basic character formats to begin with, and we can now choose which font the sentence will be. And I'm going to do Proxy Manova, font style regular, and size 15, and I'm happy with that. I want my colour to be white as it's going to be on a blue background, so I want it to be visible. Now we want to go to underline options, and this is where we will add our highlight. So in this option, make sure you check underline on, make sure it's a tick box. For now, let's just change the weight to 10, and then make sure the offset is -3. So as you can see, the highlight doesn't cover all the text, so what we need to do is we can just slowly up the weight until it fits over the text. I want to make the colour of the highlight cyan. Actually, I decided I don't like 17 and I'm going to lower it a little bit just so there's a gap between each line. You can also change the gap colour, but I'm going to leave it how it is for now and click OK. I'm going to have to make my text box a little bit larger just so the sentence fits within it. Now all I need to do is select my other sentences and I can just apply this character style like that. And I can do it for this sentence here as well. And as you can see, really quickly, I've just added this style and highlighted all these sentences. Thanks for watching this episode, and I hope I was able to teach you a few tricks which you can use in your current print project or a future one. And don't forget to stay tuned when I'll be going through the West Ham programme and showing you even more tricks which you can use in your print.